let's practice our Spanish in a real-life scenario. In this video, I'll give you the Spanish phrase, then see if you know what the meaning is right before I reveal the correct translation. Ready? Let's start.
Good morning, I'm here to sign up for the gym. Buenos días, vengo a inscribirme al gimnasio. Hola, bienvenida. ¿Qué membresía deseas? Hi, welcome. What membership would you like? I'd like to start with the monthly one. Quisiera empezar con la mensual. Perfecto. Podemos empezar hoy mismo si lo deseas. ¿Te parece? Perfect. We can start today if you'd like. Is that okay? Yes, that would be great. But I don't know what exercises I should do. Sí, estaría genial, pero no sé qué ejercicios debo de hacer. No te preocupes. Aquí tienes una rutina inicial mientras tu cuerpo se acostumbra a hacer ejercicio. Don't worry. Here's a starter routine while your body gets used to working out. Thanks. And is it possible to have a personal trainer? Gracias. ¿Y es posible tener un entrenador personalizado? Claro que sí. Aquí en este papel está toda la información que necesitas acerca del entrenamiento personalizado. Of course it is. Here on this paper is all the information you need about personalized training. Great. I'd like to start doing cardio today. Can you tell me where the treadmills and ellipticals are? Qué bien. Me gustaría empezar haciendo cardio hoy. ¿Me puedes decir dónde están las caminadoras y las elípticas? Claro. Al final del pasillo las encontrarás. ¿Algo más en lo que pueda ayudarte? Sure, just down the hall. Anything else I can help you with? That's perfect. Thank you very much. Todo perfecto. Muchas gracias.
How'd you do? Don't worry if you didn't get 100%. Just keep reviewing this video and keep practicing. Also, make sure to check out our other videos that will teach you the grammar and vocabulary behind what we just practiced in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next practice session.